illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. On this video, we are going to talk about the failed national shutdown of the 17th of November 2025. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment, and press the notification button. On the 17th of November, there was a planned national shutdown, among others, against the rent manipulation. There were snippets or pockets of people around the whole country, and the only recognizable protest was in KwaZulu Natal. Let me say the march was in Durban, the city of Durban. Otherwise, the whole South Africa, it was just a spread and a talk and all here on social media, and nothing substantive did show up. I think in Pretoria, I saw people that could not be even more than 200 that were shown here and there. Now, I have a question, fellow South Africans. This is starting to give a straight and a real show that in order for you to have something that will be successful and concretely decisive, you should have been together somewhere physically and directly, not only meeting here on social media. Meeting on social media or using people from such social media will be just to build up or put together what is already there, but you should have been together elsewhere doing things, and then the people on social media will be just to add up into what you have been doing. Now, I have a question. Is it correct to say the only set of organized march or protest are only successful in the hands of EFF, Economic Freedom Fighters, or in all the processes, at least people must have been using or being involved with certain people from Economic Freedom Fighters, either be the students or any kind of set of people, because there are several planned. I remember in 2023, there was a talk of a shutdown here on social media. And then people did say it will never work because EFF is not there. And then indeed it did not work. And there is a continuation of such call for the protest and the shutdown and the march without the EFF. And here is the recent one that has failed. And remember, this is not the only one that has failed. What I realize with fellow South Africans is that the only time that the people stand up and march or protest, if there is a direct thing that has happened. For an example, case, there has been a harm, there's a direct outcome, negative outcome. South Africans only are reactive, they are not proactive. In other words, they don't march or protest to stop something that is going to happen. They only act when something has already happened. Then they will come up and say, act against what has happened. Hence, the Xwexwe matter has been in that fashion. It's because something has already happened. They don't stand up and act decisively or fiercely against something that has never happened. They wait for something to happen, and only then that they will come up and show the muscles. Except that up to this far, South Africans are showing they really don't act in any of the kind of protest or marches. And then am I correct when I say EFF has shown in the previous time? Remember, when you talk about a shutdown, you must be able to have effect onto a particular fashion that the economic influence, the shops not getting open and things like that. That's what has happened. Can we say the EFF has managed to do that? Can we say when they talk shutdown like they did during the electricity problems? They managed to do that because one of the big things is you don't only have to do that in one town. If you have major center of economy in each province, you must be able to in every province have 2 or 3 important towns where you show up and then have influence that will affect the economy to force the government to listen, or influential people to be able to do so. Let us hear what you say on the comment section. Is there any other structure within the country that have massively, not only in one area, massively in all major areas within different provinces, that will say it's a stop, nobody is going anywhere? Is there any structure that can be able to do that? Am I wrong when I said up to this far, EFF is the only structure that you can do that in every single province? Let us hear what you say. Thanks for watching the video.